Hi, welcome to What's Up with DJ Now. Today we're making some really good white chip chocolate cookies. Here's the ingredients I'll be using. They'll also be linked in the description. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and mix our dry ingredients first and whisk them up so they'll be ready. This recipe is right on the back of the Toll House bag. I'll also link it in the description so that you'll have it. I personally love white chocolate, so I knew I was going to really love these. A chocolate cookie with a white, chocolate chip. And you just want to make sure and mix all of your dry ingredients together with a spoon or a whisk, whatever you have. So those will be ready for later on. Okay, now we're going to get our other stuff ready. We're going to go ahead and cream together our butter and sugars and vanilla. You can use a stand-up mixer or hand mixer, whatever you have. And you're just going to want to cream that all together. Now we're going to put in our 2 large eggs. Together and cream that in. And we're going to slowly incorporate our dry mixture a little bit at a time. would be completely normal for it to start becoming really thick and kind of hard to mix with the mixer. Do it as much as you can with the mixer. If you need to do a little bit by hand with a spoon, that's fine, but it's completely normal for it to get very gooey like this because we're making a dough. Sometimes you just got to turn it off and kind of squish it down and then restart again in another place. Just make sure and scrape the sides of the bowl as you're going so you can get all of the loose dry mixture in there. Okay, now we're going to mix in our chips. Now we're going to get them onto our pan. If you don't have a scooper, you can just use 2 spoons, or you could get a little mixture, roll them into a ball in your hand. Now if you want a cookie that's flatter, you're going to want to just squish them down. My first couple batches, I just left them as circles, balls like that, and then you'll see at the end how they look. I thought that was cute. That little chip looked like a heart. Okay, we're going to do 350 for 9 to 11 minutes. Here's Nosy Sammy. Okay, now here's how they turned out. And like I said, a lot of them look flatter because you can push them down once you have them on there and they'll become more of a flatter cookie. I like that better. And here's some pictures. And I hope that you like this video. Please like it. It will help my channel, and I hope that you try it. It's a really good chocolate cookie with white chips. And you all have a nice day, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.